Hello friends, the main topic of today's video is how to permanently delete your TikTok account. For all of you who are trying to delete your TikTok account but are currently unable to do so, this video is specifically for you. Therefore, please watch this entire video from A to Z with complete focus and attention. First and foremost, to delete your TikTok account, you will need to open and enter the TikTok application. Once you are inside the TikTok app, after clicking on your profile icon, you will then need to click on the three dot button that appears right here. Once you have successfully clicked the three dot button, you must then click on settings and privacy. Following that, your next step is to click on the manage account option. After then, if you look toward the bottom, you'll find the option for deactivate or account delete. I'm going to delete this account right here. I will click on this option now. After you click here, you will be able to see a few different options available to you. The very first one you'll find is delete or deactivate. The second option presented to you is deactivate account, and the third option, which is clearly visible, is delete account permanently. I will now proceed to select and enter this third option. Once I've accessed the third option, I must clearly indicate the specific reason for wanting to delete my TikTok account. I'm going to select the very last reason provided, which is another reason. I will proceed to click right here. After clicking, I will then proceed to type some information into this field. Once I have finished typing, I will click here, then I will click on continue. After clicking on continue, another option will appear here. Here, you need to click on the tick mark. It says here, if we delete your account, you will lose this service above permanently. Here, I will now click on continue. After clicking continue, I'll need to click a tick mark here again. Once that tick mark is given, it says by continuing here and wish to continue deleting your account, I will then proceed to the continue option once more. After clicking on continue, I will then proceed to click continue once again. There is some important information written here. Those who carefully read this text then fully understand its implications should then click continue here. After clicking continue, my account has already been deleted. You will need to verify your account. Please verify it right here. Once you have completed the verification process, specifically by verifying with Google, the delete option will then become available in your account and you can proceed to delete it. So for all of you who have found my videos helpful so far, please make sure to like, comment and share this video. And to receive more interesting videos like this in the future, please